Hey, church family. We have been trying to update our website and get as much technology in as possible so that we can continue to worship together, to share together. And I just wanted to walk through a few things to make sure everybody knows what we have and how to get to it. So if you go to our website, mcdonoughroad.org, and you scroll down, you notice it says we now have multiple ways to worship together. We got 3 streaming options. If you are on Facebook and prefer to go to Facebook, you can click on the Via Facebook. If you like to use YouTube, you can go to the YouTube on the right-hand side here. And we've also put a dedicated page on our website so you can go to the MRBC stream. Now notice all these streaming options are for all the services that we have going on. The Magnify service at 9, the regular service at 10:55, and then the Wednesday evening drive-in service at 6 p.m. So if you want to attend live, you can go to any one of these 3 at those particular times and attend the live session streaming. Now, if for some reason you can't, or you want to go back and watch one of the recorded sessions, the best place to do that is we now have added a new area under our lessons and messages. And this is coming directly off of our YouTube channel, which we archive and keep all of the captured streaming and lessons and other messages that we put out there. So now when you click on this link, it actually takes you to our YouTube feed, which is housed on our website. So here you can see what has happened. So right here, if you'll notice, Dr. Smith has already done August the 23rd Sunday school lesson, and you can click directly on that and watch it from here. The option, if you go to that too, there'll be an option for you to click on it and watch it from YouTube. But this is a centralized location that shows you everything that we now have out there on our YouTube page, and you can go back and watch these and or watch the ones that have been recorded. Another thing that is awesome is that we now have our Facebook. For those of you who have Facebook, you've already been on there looking at our Facebook posts and so forth, but some people don't have Facebook, but you can come here now and click on the Facebook post, and this also is going to centralize everything that we've got on our Facebook page. Again, you'll see where Dr. Smith's message for the Sunday school has been posted on our Facebook page as well, but here's some stuff that's neat, is here's some of the posts that we have on there, so you can read these posts and not have to go to the Facebook page, and or if you're not a Facebook member, you can still view them from here. So this is awesome tools that we're putting out there to keep ourselves informed, to keep ourselves engaged. And one other thing too, if you'll notice, we have the MRBC Kids Zone. So on Sunday mornings, for them to have their Sunday school lesson, they can come here, and we have a dedicated feed just for the MRBC Kids Zones, and they are putting their Sunday school lessons out here or there. So if anyone has any questions, please just let us know at the church. But hopefully this is going to keep you engaged, keep you informed, and we are looking forward to getting back together. But in the meantime, we can still worship through the technology that has been provided to us. Everybody have a great day.